For the repair of the power supply unit, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we had a 220 volt AC power supply, some external batteries, and a multimeter in order to measure the voltage output. By adding the power supply, the unit reacts, and we can see that the batteries connected to the power supply unit begin to charge, evident by the voltage output rising. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the power supply unit is operating successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.